Today, I am marrying my lover, the would-be mother of my children, the would-be queen and light of my home, my soulmate, and most especially my best friend.
May common friend kami. Tinanong, pwede mo bang ibigay yung number?
Attorney, may papakilala ko sa iyo. Sabi sa akin gano'n. Sino yan kako? Looking din to katulad mo, sabi niya.
Adi sabi ko, sige. Tapos siya, nag-message na siya.
Hi DJ, nag-hi DJ na rin siya. Ako pala si Rachel.
Tapos doon na nag-start.
I vow to love you from this day forward and through the rest of my life. Until my last breath, my heart would be beating only just for you. You are my life. You are my prayer fulfilled by the Lord. And for that, I couldn't be any happier. I am the luckiest man on the planet.
My Rachel Ann, take this ring as a sign of my love for you now and forever.
Delphine, take this ring as a token of my love for you now and forever.
Sinabi ko na agad, sabi ko, wala na paligoy-ligoy. Manliligaw ako para magpakasal ka ako. Kaya kung ready ka na, ready na rin ako.
Ako parang, sigurado ka na ba? Hindi naman na rin kami bata. Tapos, parang sabi niya, doon din naman ang punta.
Ayun na nga, parang ano ba, she's the one. Parang may ganun na moment na, ting, so she's the one, ganun.
Aking nakasalubong, ating awit ay iginuhit ng
I vow to take care of you, protect you always, and be the provider of the family that we are going to build together. I vow to always stay by your side, to stand by you, to support you in the things that you love, that make you happy. I vow to treat you as my equal, my other half, my better half. Pinagdasal ko ng matagal, oo. And then si Rachel dumating. Kaya hindi ko napakakawalan.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libong-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa akin. Dalangin kita.
Kasi nagkakilala tayo, answered prayers natin parehas ito. So, yun, maging happy lang tayo, saka i-cherish natin yung bawat isa. Sabi ko nga, pagpasensyahan ang bawat isa. So, normal lang naman yung may mga away, alam mo na yung toyo ko. Sabi mo, ikaw na lang yung suka para match.
I vow to always listen to you, to what you have to say, and to value all the things that you will bring to the table for the family. I vow to always make you happy. No, I mean the happiest. I vow not to cause you shed tears, but if you do, it's because they are tears of joy. You and I are one now. I am yours and you are mine.